Have you ever wondered what $1.1 million will get you in Guam? Behind me, we have this beautiful 4-bedroom, 4-bathroom at 3,500 square feet. And this is located in an exclusive upcoming neighborhood in 110 Matthew Court in Santa Rita. So let's go ahead and check it out.
Let's see how you do under pressure. Yeah, I've been wanting this shit forever. I've been in the field with whatever they throw at me. Brush it off, pick myself up, moving on to the better. Okay.
The first few feet coming in, you have this nice access here. It's gated with some electronic access. And off to the left here, you can go ahead and see the port as well as Navy. And the first thing you'll go ahead and notice is that the airflow here, the breeze is just amazing. So making for some amazing temperatures and staying cool. So let's go ahead and check out the front yard here first before we hop inside to the property. So out here we have the open house at the moment, and it is just gorgeous. You have this beautiful cliffside view here, and it's going to be unobstructed for the most part in the future, and you are sitting on top of a nice piece of land here. So let's go ahead and hop into the kitchen. And off to the left here, you do have your outdoor kitchen here. It's beautiful. You can go ahead and wine and dine and entertain your friends and family out here for all of your amazing holiday parties. And let's go ahead and hop inside. So we are going to be popping into the kitchen here. It's a little bit interesting because we have an open house. So here we are. So this is the first floor here of the 3-story home, and we have the garage out here. Maybe even some tools inside here and have your workshop. This is a beautiful first bedroom here. You can go ahead and fit in a king-size bed. And one of the first things you'll notice is throughout the house, we have this nice white, gray, and black color scheme throughout the entire house. And you have these nice recessed ceiling here, as well as the big ceilings. So, beautiful. We'll go ahead and hop into the kitchen. One of the nice little features here is the Harry Potter room. So you do have this nice little access here, and you can go ahead and store many of your appliances and your kitchen supplies.
We've got our secondary bedroom up on the second floor. Still large enough for a queen bed. You still got a fully functional closet, recessed lighting, Medea AC. I believe these ACs are the ones you can actually turn on and off from your phone. So if you're coming home off a flight, you can turn on your AC to get the home cooled down for you before you get there. So that's always a plus. That's the one thing Hisense I don't think has. So Medea, you pay, but you get more. And then here, this is nice because a lot of people are concerned about the first floor not having enough space for a living room, but it's 2024. So living room doesn't have to be on the first floor. This you can use as your living room. It's long enough, you can put a full 80-inch TV, you can put a sectional with a recliner, bookshelf right here, and then you've still got the balcony for entertaining. And this is also really nice because you have a detached guest bathroom that you can use without having to go into the master. Here you got your laundry room. So it's plenty big. You can even install a sink right here in the corner if you want, because we've got the water here. Change that out, put a nice vanity, and then washer dryer. The junior suite. So once again, this and then the master upstairs is perfect for a king size bed. Here in this corner, you can throw a little reading area, put you maybe a little sofa, love seat, maybe a computer desk, a bookshelf. And then here you've got a really nice walk-in closet. You've got, yeah, you got for your jewelry, your necklaces, your rings. You've got plenty of stuff plenty of bars to hang things on, plenty of drawer space here and here, and you can split it off his and her. Okay, so that's really nice too. And then this leads you into a gorgeous and expansive bathroom. Nothing's hugged up against each other, and you've got a two-person jacuzzi tub, and then you've got the one-person shower. But all these windows are Typhoon rated, so there's no need to put shutters on the exterior, or it's clunky and they rust and they're just kind of ugly, you know. So you don't need to put in shutters necessarily for this home. Just keeps that nice sleek aesthetic on the outside. So this here is it's massive. Words don't do it justice, because if you look over here, I mean, you've got your neighbor here, but that's okay, because you're looking here. And if you notice the topography of the land, it just gets lower, right? Oh, yeah. So there's almost no chance anyone's gonna build a home big enough to block your view. Use it for. So this room is directly above our laundry room downstairs. So some homes you can put a second laundry room if you want. Just put a water line and a vent, you know, for the dryer, or turn it to a huge closet because it's right across the primary bedroom, right? This is about the same size as the one below us. I believe they are the exact same size and layout. It's just a floor higher, so you just get even better views of the ocean and Upper Harbor. Yeah, these tall windows really let in a lot of light too up here.
So if you enjoyed this video, please go ahead, like, comment, subscribe, and let me know if you want to see more in the future.